I'm Molina with the Frain Group. Today we'll be cycling your Adco semi-automatic cartoning machine integrated with an optional in-feed and discharge conveyor. This machine is currently set to 3-phase, 240 volts. We recommend reading the manual in its entirety before powering on the machine. Systems like this are capable of running a variety of products such as you see here. Today I'll be running this product through at 2,000 shipping cases per shift.